Mhm.
YouTube says iOS picture-in-picture is coming to all users in a matter of days following a lengthy testing period. YouTube picture-in-picture support for iOS will begin rolling out in the next few days, allowing all users, including non-premium and premium subscribers, to close the YouTube app and continue watching their video in a small pop-up window. This is very convenient. I use this all the time.
I was on iPhone before, and I heard about this, but I couldn't use it.
Mm-hmm.
And I switched over to Samsung, and oh my God, I use it all the time.
Yeah, it's very, very useful. Google in June announced that picture-in-picture support would be rolling out to both premium and non-paying YouTube app users in the US, but many people outside the country had been able to get it working, so the company could be making it globally available. Only YouTube premium subscribers have had access to picture-in-picture mode on iOS as an experimental feature, and at one stage, this was interpreted to mean it would remain a premium-only feature until Google clarified that it would eventually be coming to all users in the country on Sunday. In a tweeted response to a user having problems accessing the experimental feature, YouTube said picture-in-picture will be available in a matter of days for devices running iOS 15 and later. Obviously, this is not a problem on Android. Obviously, premium users have been using this for a really long time as well, but this is better in the end. It makes the app work better. It makes the experience more flexible. There's really no negotiation here. This is just something that you would want to have. Are you?
Yeah, it's very convenient.
Are you using it?
I use it all the time. I like to swipe away the YouTube app when I'm doing full screen and like just bring it back. It's very easy.
So that the audio stays playing and you stay in the same point in a video, you do a certain task and then go right back to it.
Yeah, it turns into like a little tab on the right side or left.
Mm-hmm.
You just bring it back.
No, it's... Who doesn't want this?
Very useful.